going to teach you how to make eggs in a basket. Here are the tools you'll need. You'll need a skillet, butter, a butter knife, 1 egg, 1 piece of bread, a cup that can easily fit onto the bread like this without going over the edges. You'll need a spatula and a plate. I'm going to teach you how to prepare the bread. First, you're going to take the cup and put it in the middle of the bread so that there's a nice clean edge around the circle. Now you're going to push down on the bread with the cup and twist until you can tell that the bread has been cut. You see how I can remove this? There's a nice clean border. Ask your mom and dad's permission before you do the next step. Turn the burner on to medium-high. Now I'm going to take a little bit of butter and put it on the pan. Now that the butter is melted, we have to put the bread on the pan. Don't forget the hole. Quickly add the egg to the hole. This part is optional, but you can add a little bit of salt and pepper to the egg while it's cooking. This is ready to flip when this is golden brown. Now it's ready to come out.